G'day DIY Pool Legends. Just wanted to give you a bit of a spoiler alert that this isn't the full length version of this particular video. It's just a little bit of an introduction so you can see the type of information that we do provide, but the full length video is just for our customers. Hope you enjoy watching this short little sample.
G'day DIY Pool Legends. Well, today we're going to be talking about backfilling a fiberglass pool in Australia. And we're not installers, so we're going to walk you through what this particular installer is doing and give you a few tips and points on the way. With installing a fiberglass pool, it's absolutely critical that you use the right backfill material as per the Australian standards for fiberglass pool installation. If you haven't seen our video on that, this installer's put a lot of pools in all different soil types. Little tip from his side is just before you start putting water into the pool, push about 150 ml of backfill down and around the pool. That way, if the walls start to fall in on your excavation, then the most important part in terms of getting your levels right, meaning having the right backfill material right on the bottom part of the pool, underneath the pool slightly and right around the curves, is going to be cement stabilized backfill, which is exactly what you want. You don't want to have a whole heap of sand or mud or rocks or anything along those lines, which over time is going to shift. So before the water goes in, this is called a pencil compactor or a petrol-driven vibrator, and you can again hire it when you're picking up any other gear at your local hire shop. So these are used to, well, what many installers will say, lock in the pool. So what are they using it for? Once you've washed the backfill in and around and underneath the steps, then this vibrates the backfill all the way up and under. So it's just getting that next level of compaction. That's why they call them pencil compactions in the areas where you need to do this, which is your steps and your swim out ledges or underneath benches. Note that you don't use...
Well, there you have it, just a little sample of the video that we provide. We know from our customers all over the country that these videos make a huge difference to putting the pool in and enjoying the process and getting a fantastic outcome with your DIY pool. The name of the game is you want to absolutely save thousands of dollars on your pool, but when someone comes over and has a look at your pool, they shouldn't be able to tell whether you put the pool in yourself, you used a local installer, or you went to a full service, full price pool builder. And that's what these videos and all of our supporting documentation is all about. If you'd like to learn more, you can get in touch with us through the website and talk to the team. We'd love to hear about your project and how we might be able to help.